today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest smoked macaroni and cheese you've ever made. And this one has brisket and jalapenos. Let's get to cooking. All right, so for this recipe, I've been honing my skills and locking it in. We are going to melt 1/4 of a cup of butter. And then we're going to add to it, once it's melted, 1/4 of a cup of flour. For our cheeses, we have 8 ounces of smoked Gouda, 4 ounces of aged cheddar, and 4 ounces of just regular old mild cheddar. This looks so good, so creamy. All right, now slowly bring in your flour. Now, this is toasting the roux. I'm getting this figured out. This cooks out the flour taste. Ooh, no one wants a mac and cheese that tastes like flour. Once I start to get a little bit of color on it, that's when we're gonna go in with 2 cups of half and half. Add a little bit, stir. This is the part where we wait. Just keep stirring, get all the clumps out, and then you'll notice it start thickening up here in a couple minutes. So first, I'm going in with my mild cheddar. Eight ounces smoked Gouda. This is a fantastic cheese right here. Fantastic. And now go ahead and drop in the aged cheddar. This is gonna give it a real, like, nutty flavor. Just makes it taste, just elevates it to a whole different level. Now I'm gonna season it up a little bit with SPG, a little bit of garlic jalapeno. All right, so to build this mac and cheese, we're using the trusty skillet again. I love this thing. Goes in the smoker, does a fantastic job. So let's go ahead and get our cheese mixed up. We have 16 ounces of cooked pasta here. You don't need to see me do all that. If you don't know how to cook pasta, then I'm assuming you know how to cook pasta. 16 ounces of cooked pasta. We are gonna dump in our cheese mixer. We're putting it all in there. Go ahead and mix that in. Now, I have some sauteed onions. I like it in mine. I'm adding that. Sauteed jalapenos. Get it mixed up. And it's so much easier to do it in this pan and then transfer over, or pot, I should say. Now, I am gonna put some bacon in here. Not too much. We got 1 pound of cooked bacon here. We're gonna save some for the top too. I'm gonna thin it out just a little bit. I'm using half and half to thin it. I have 1 cup here. Let's go ahead and put it all in there. All right, so I'm gonna put in half of this. Go ahead and smooth it out. And then this cheese mixture, I have smoked bacon Gouda. I'm gonna take that, put that right there. I want some of that Gouda on the top. And then just regular, just a mild cheddar cheese. And then we'll add the rest. It's getting heavy. And to be quite honest with you, you could eat this as soon as you're done mixing it. I just like to get a little smoke on it. This is coming along nice. Now, in full transparency, I did refine this recipe. Well, I worked on this recipe this weekend, but now we have refined it. A little bit more cheese on top. A little more bacon Gouda, and now bacon. For the star of the show, oh, this is so good too. If you haven't watched this video right here, how to cook a brisket on a pellet cooker, go watch it. I'll just pile that right there. So good. And jalapenos are optional. I think they add a nice little color contrast to it, and I like jalapenos. Scoot them around, boom. A little bit more of the garlic jalapeno. Now we have our Traeger running at 300 degrees behind us. I'm gonna put this on there. It's gonna be about 30 to 45 minutes. I'm just looking to melt the cheese, get that nice little cheese pull, ooey gooey, then we'll eat. So we are running the Traeger XL Timberline. I'm really starting to fall in love with this cooker. It's so versatile and makes killer mac and cheese. Placing it right in the middle. We are running hickory pellets. I'm a fan of hickory, so that's what I'm running. Shut the door. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, counting down.
And after 30 minutes, I'll come back, check it. No peeking, no looking. If you're looking, you ain't cooking. You know the saying. So, see you in 30. All right, so it's been right at 45 minutes. I looked in here a little bit earlier, and it wasn't quite done, but she looks beautiful now. This looks and smells freaking amazing. I think this is my best one yet. All right, so we waited long enough. Let's just dig right on in. Yeah, I'm super pumped for this one. I've been craving this one. Woo! Look at that. I'm gonna need a little more brisket. That is what I'm talking about. Cheers. This is it. This is the best one ever. The smoked Gouda, the aged cheddar, bacon, the jalapeno, the onions, nothing's overpowering. Everything blends in well together, and then the brisket just finishes it off perfectly. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. Yeah, make this recipe right here, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Quiet on the set. Hey, we ain't paying you, just so you know. No phone calls.